If the highest aim of a captain were to preserve his ship, he would keep it in port forever. Warm greetings. My name is Salim Shah. I was born and brought up in Mohali, and I'm currently pursuing my BTech in CGC Landra in Electronics and Communications degree. I joined CGC in 2020, and what a journey it has been. From being a fresher, not knowing where this path is going to take me, to being placed in a reputed company, TT Consultants, for a healthy package of 7 lakhs per annum at the position of a patent analyst, I sure have found leaps in my growth. This is all thanks due to the efforts of the TPP department, the CRC team, and of course, my electronics department faculty. Being a CGCN, I have come to the realization that even if you are able to give the tiniest of efforts, you are sure to find your way in this journey. I say so because of the fact that we are provided with so many opportunities to showcase our skills. I always had a knack of speaking, but I just couldn't find the platform to speak. But in CGC, I have come and I have arrived at this stage where I have held many and hosted many events. Like for example, I was hosting this Smart India Hackathon event. I was also hosting the Freshers. I was also hosting various other events, and I also participated in many, like the GD competition and the debate competition, which I eventually won. I also undertook many certifications like Python for data science under NPTEL, which I wouldn't have even known about if it wasn't for my teachers. I also was able to give a patent on my project, which was also due to the support of my teachers. All in all, if I have to tell one thing about CGC to all the people who will be coming after me, is that if you're willing to give in the least amount of effort even, and if you have a will in yourself to prove that you are what you say in your resume, then CGC is the place for you, because anything that you set your mind to, you can achieve.